Are you interested in Bitcoin? Would you like to work in a company that's on the cutting edge of Bitcoin technology? Well, if so, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Josh with Custom Career. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to apply to cutting edge companies in Bitcoin and start making money now. Stay tuned. So I typed in bitcoin.com right here and brings me to the home page. Pretty cool. Okay, we're going to scroll all the way down. We're here because this is where I found the jobs. Going to go ahead and click on careers, and we're going to click on view jobs right here. Okay, so as I do that, I'm going to see senior marketing manager. That's in the Ukraine. Product manager, wallet. That's in Japan. Software engineer, Japan. These are all the jobs with Bitcoin.com. I'm seeing several Japan, Philippines, United Kingdom. Okay, so let's just click on Japan, for example. And it's going to give you the description of the job, the responsibilities of the job, the requirements. Okay, it would be nice to haves. At the bottom, they're saying that they're offering Japanese classes. So that's telling me maybe you don't need to be fluent when you arrive there, but they'd like you to try to learn Japanese. I've lived in Japan for 2 years, and I can tell you that not everyone speaks English. Quite a few people do. They'll definitely try to speak English, but it's important to really try to assimilate and learn the language as far as that goes. If you're considering this job, it's going to get into flexible work hours, remote work, a wellness program, a gym, etc. So this gets into all of the tasks of the job. You can look at this on your own. I've kind of already looked at one of them, scouted one of these out. So the one I looked at was United States. Okay, so right here, this is a HR position. Requirements, things that you need to have with you, things that you need to be able to provide. Going to get into this in greater detail in a moment. The benefits, flexible work hours, remote work. Again, health insurance reimbursement, and there's that wellness program. And then you would go here to apply for the job. Now, it is really important if you're going to be applying to one of these jobs, any job on this site, you can kind of follow along with my recommendations. So what you're going to want to do is copy and paste from the requirements, from the UR/haves. You're going to want to take that stuff, copy it, and what I like to do is put it onto a Word. I like to use Word and paste it right to Word. So what I've done here is I've gone through, I've read all the requirements, all the UR and the haves, and I've read through them and really looked and said, what exactly are the key words here? Everything that I found that was really important to me, I blew it up in font and I highlighted it, okay? So I highlighted it. So what now, as we scroll down, and we'll just read some of these. Human capital decisions, that's big. Evaluate talent needs of the business using financial data, that's big. Be able to solve the organization's human capital challenges, okay? Contribute to our values and vision, okay? So that alone is telling me they really want you to buy in to their culture. Engage with stakeholders on controversial issues and build a compelling case to change opinions when necessary. Okay, are you hearing these important things or these buzzwords they're telling you? As an experienced HR leader with 7 years of experience in the field, that's the only thing that I don't think really matters that much. It's important, but if you've got all these other intangibles and you've got 2 years, 3 years experience, they're not going to throw your resume out, okay? They shouldn't if they're smart. So that 7 years experience, if you've got all the other stuff and you're solid, 1 to 2 years experience would be good for me. And I don't see why it would change their mind or wouldn't change their mind, right? Demonstrate the ability to influence and partner at all levels of the organization to achieve results. They're looking for leadership, an excellent communicator with native oral and written communication skills in English, okay? And a genuine interest and curiosity in cryptocurrency and fintech, okay? So what you're going to do, and again, if you've never worked in cryptocurrency before or with fintech, I don't think that's going to just, keep you out of the running for this. But your resume should have some of these. You want to make sure when you're composing your resume, when you're creating your resume, you want to go in there and look back and think about a time that you were able to evaluate talent needs of the business that you were in, okay? Maybe a time that you used financial data, okay? Maybe you worked at Walmart or Walgreens or wherever. Okay, think back, and if you have, first of all, you shouldn't really be applying to this position if you don't have a lot of what they're looking for. But if you are interested in it and you do have a history of some similar stuff, go back in time. Go back and write down on a pencil and paper the past 15, 20 years of your work life, if you've been in the workforce that long, or whatever, 10 years, and think about how things that you might have done might be similar to some of these buzzwords that I highlighted here. Okay, did you ever engage stakeholders on controversial issues? Did you ever work with a technology team? Maybe an IT team. Maybe that would be a technology team. Did you ever demonstrate ability to influence other people at the organization? Think about a time you did that. Put that down, okay? Explain how you were a good communicator. Maybe you were in theater and you were in a play and you communicated. That looked great. So these are some great examples what you can put into your resume if you're applying to this position or really any position. We're going to use the one that I showed, the HR development. We're going to use that as the example, but really this principle can be applied across the board. Let me know in the comments section below what you like, what you didn't like, what you want to see in future videos, and I'll see you in the next part. In this video, I showed you how to find great jobs in Bitcoin technology, companies that are cutting edge in Bitcoin. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, jobs come and go, but a career will last a lifetime.